Ever feel like you disappeared? Like one day you had all these dreams and then they just faded? That was me. I started with passion, with goals, but life tested me. Pressure, doubt, silence, no one really understood. I didn't break all at once. It was piece by piece. One bad day became a bad week, then months, people counted me out. And I believed them. I stopped showing up, not just for others, for myself. But something inside me whispered, "You're not done yet," even at my lowest. Rock bottom doesn't warn you, but in that silence, you learn. Real growth is ugly, lonely, and quiet, but necessary. So I stopped looking around and started looking within. No more waiting, no more excuses. I became my own rescue. I got up, quietly. One better choice, one more rep, one more hour. I said no to what drained me. Yes to purpose, discipline, growth. While they laughed, I learned. While they watched, I worked. Now it's 2025. I'm not who I used to be. I'm not here to impress or explain. I'm here to own the future. This isn't just a comeback. It's a rebirth. I built this version of me with sweat, silence, and scars. If you feel lost, I've been there. If it feels over, it's not. If you want to quit, don't. Every comeback starts with one thing, a decision. Not to be perfect, just to try again. 2025 is my year, not because it's easy, but because I chose to rise. This is just the beginning. Watch me.